Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cocktail called the Spirit of Ventura. It is a cocktail created by Aaron Melendrez in 2017, and it features as its main ingredient, the star of the show, Ventura Spirits Strawberry Brandy. This strawberry brandy is pretty awesome, and you know what I like about it the most? I like that it is made from strawberries that were too ugly to be on store shelves, so they decided to take those strawberries and instead of making them trash, they're going to distill them into brandy, which is a much more sustainable way to use them. And I love that. I love when companies do something that's green and sustainable. And then the second ingredient is Suze. Suze is a Swiss bitters. It is drank as an aperitif. It is in a lot of awesome cocktails. It is in this cocktail, and you can drink it neat or on the rocks with a little lemon twist, and it's wonderful. The third and last ingredient, since this is a Negroni variation, is Lillet. So Lillet is a white wine aperitif liqueur. It is, you need to make sure that it is kept in the refrigerator, not freezer. It's kept in the refrigerator and it stays chilled because it does go rancid, and even in the refrigerator, it has about a month before it goes bad. So you want to make sure that that's why I keep it in these little small bottles like this. I keep it in a small bottle because I have just a little bit. All right, well, let's get into it. This is going to be a pretty quick and painless cocktail. We're going to take our Lillet and do 1 ounce. And then our Suze and do 3/4 of an ounce, or 0.75. And last but not least, the pièce de résistance, Ventura Spirits Strawberry Brandy. 1.5 ounces. Now this cocktail is going to appeal to those that really like a little bit of sweetness but bitter flavors. You've got your Lillet, which is kind of floral. You've got your Suze, which is going to be kind of bitter. It's going to be kind of bitter in character. And you've got your strawberry brandy, which adds the sweet, but it also adds an aged taste to it, because it is aged in neutral French oak casks, and it has a very dry sort of strawberry characteristic to it, but also you can taste the oak in it. So now we're just going to stir it until it is chilled. We got our nice piece of tempered rock ice. Kind of nice. You see the outside of the glass is starting to frost a little bit, and that's what you kind of want to look for. Make sure that you've added enough dilution. All right, that should be good. And then last but not least, we're going to take a lemon peel. And when you take your lemon peel, you want to make sure that you clean it, especially if all fruit has a layer of wax on the outside of it. So if you don't have like a vegetable brush, that's fine, but just run it under water, cold water, and then rub it off with a rag, because you don't want to have if you take a peel and then you zest it without doing that, you're going to get the wax on your cocktail, and you do not want the wax on your cocktail. You just want the essence of lemon, and then we're going to spritz it. I like to spritz it up here so that all the sweet elements go on and the kind of the bitter elements fall off a little bit. So just right here, zest it, to give it a little rub on the glass. Move this pesky thing. And there you have it, the Spirit of Ventura. And also, if you like these videos and you like what we're doing, definitely hit the subscribe button. And if you like the shirt that I'm wearing, you can get one at drinkmerch.com. Peace.